Hi, I'm Grant from China Grant Machine Industry. Today we talk about QD260. QD260 is the step cylindrical grinder machine, suitable for outer diameter and conical grinder for cylindrical workplace. Especially substitute to be used in cutting tool manufacturing or metal part manufacturing for the black bar outer diameter grinding. You can see the QD260 is designed to have a dual appearance, and the fuselage is fully sealed with sliding door in the front, and the track is cylindrical.
With wall-piece automatic loading and unloading, prompt detection and positioning, it can quickly achieve loading and unloading function. It is convenient for one person to operate multiple machines or recognize unmanned operator for the system. According to the size for the wall piece, the grinding time of each piece under 6 mm is less than 50 seconds, and the grinding time for the work piece under 20 mm is less than 1 minute, and the grinding workpiece suffer rangeness less than RA 0.4.